Drop a comment down there and share if you're a Capricorn or have had experience dating or being in a relationship with a Capricorn. Welcome back, everyone. Today's video is about uncovering the essentials you need to know when you're in a relationship with a Capricorn man. Things you must know when dating a Capricorn man. Let's dive in. He's not the best with emotions, but he tries to show affection. His favorite way of expressing love is through actions, and because he's down to earth, he won't go overboard with romance. These are just a few traits that define your Capricorn man. There's plenty more to discover when dating him. He's loyal, hardworking, and dependable, but can also be possessive. He'll express his love through actions rather than words, and always make time for you, even with his busy schedule. Being reliable, supportive, and diligent is essential to maintain his interest. Also, let your intelligence shine, and remember, this is just the start. He is energetic and works hard to achieve his goals. It's better not to make him jealous since he appreciates honesty and always expresses what's on his mind. He enjoys his partner's attention. If he doesn't believe he's getting enough support from the woman he loves, he begins to suspect something. In simpler terms, he's feeling jealous. He wants to be sure he's the only one in your life. You need to reassure him and show your commitment when you're together. He might feel jealous sometimes, even if he doesn't openly express it. He's really loyal. Capricorn guys are devoted and true to the people they care about, even if they can sometimes be practical and stubborn. To put it simply, he's guarded. Being together might take a long time before he's willing to open up about his feelings. Before we dive into more insights about the intriguing Capricorn man, make sure to hit that subscribe button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep this conversation going and build a community of Capricorn enthusiasts. Capricorn guys usually keep most people at a distance, so they're fully focused on you if they allow you to get close. While they might not be super romantic, they are really faithful and giving. Loyalty is a big deal for a Capricorn man, and he's genuine about it. In return, he'll stick by your side faithfully. He's not into playing games, so when he's dedicated to you, he sees you as the only special woman. He'll prove it. A Capricorn man expresses his love with actions more than words. However, he won't show his love with big displays. He wants you to feel valued all the time, not just on special days. He's not one to get emotional easily. In fact, he rarely shows his feelings. He keeps his feelings in check. Sometimes he might show it with gifts or doing things for you, but he's not the type to express it with sweet words. You can trust him. He's always honest with you, even if it's something you don't want to hear. He won't sugarcoat it because he cares about you too much to lie. But hey, don't hit pause yet. If you find these Capricorn man insights as fascinating as I do, tap that subscribe button and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep this GOAT conversation rolling. The Capricorn man is committed to telling you the complete truth, even though your Capricorn man is reliable and sincere. However, he might not always place you as his top priority. Sometimes his career and other relationships might come first, but it doesn't mean he doesn't care for you. Trust in his loyalty and understand that his affection is quiet and understated. He allocates time for you. Typically, a Capricorn man is quite occupied due to his work and professional commitments taking precedence. However, when he's in love, he ensures to make time for you. Even though his career is significant, he'll strive to juggle his responsibilities and create opportunities to be with you because they value hard work. Capricorn men are sometimes thought of as dull and not very engaging to be with. However, if he's genuinely fascinated, he'll set aside work time just to be with you for a while. He values hard work. Capricorn men are practical, self-sufficient, and self-reliant. He enjoys taking care of tasks around the house and often juggles multiple projects simultaneously. Before we continue, please like, share, and comment below about your experience regarding the Capricorn zodiac sign. Capricorn men are deeply committed to their careers, even using their free time to enhance their skills. He's also very practical and down to earth. He invests a lot of energy into self-improvement and reaching his goals. Due to his extensive focus on studying and working, he might sometimes come across as condescending. Be straightforward and open with him, but understand that he might take a while to reveal his inner thoughts. Your Capricorn man moves at his own pace, yet with your patient encouragement, showing your support and reliability, he will eventually let you into his heart. Be careful not to accidentally lose your Capricorn man's trust. If he feels betrayed, it takes a while for him to open up again. So it's crucial to earn and maintain his trust. Capricorn men treat their love relationships very seriously. So your Capricorn man is not likely to cheat. He'll work diligently to maintain the relationship once he's fallen in love with you. Even though Capricorn men take their time to open up, once they've decided on you, you'll have a loyal partner you can count on. He's dedicated to his job and might sometimes work extra hours. Be prepared for this, and remember that it doesn't mean he's less interested in your relationship. A Capricorn man doesn't easily give his heart to anyone. He will trust you if you show him that you are equally as committed as he is. Be supportive. Capricorn men are ambitious, and he seeks someone that shares this trait. Talk to him about his goals in life and assure him that he can achieve them. Also, be there to listen when he needs support. Motivate him to persevere, especially in tough times. Hopefully, he'll offer the same encouragement to you. Inspire him to chase his dreams and goals. Capricorn men are industrious and desire partners who share their long-term ambitions. Talk about his future goals and learn about his aspirations. This will mean a lot to him. Capricorn men appreciate intelligence and value education. Embrace your independence by dedicating time to your goals, taking classes to enhance your skills, and spending time with friends. This will resonate with his values. He'll be impressed by your strength and self-reliance. Just like him, Capricorn men value ambition in a partner. Chase after your dreams, setting meaningful goals and breaking them down into manageable steps. Once you've got that, start tackling the first step. Share your goals and accomplishments with him to highlight your dedication. Demonstrate reliability. Capricorn men appreciate stability, so they value discipline and consistency. No one anticipates you to have everything perfectly managed in your life. Nonetheless, he will be impressed if you maintain a sense of organization. Use a planner or a calendar to stay on top of your commitments, and try to keep your living space and personal items tidy. Create a budget to help you manage your finances. Don't force yourself to pretend to be organized if you're not. Instead, take small steps to become more organized, like jotting things down on a calendar or tidying up your bag. Your proactive attitude will really impress him. Highlight your smarts. Above all, Capricorn men are attracted to intellectual endeavors. If you come across as unfriendly or lacking in depth, your Capricorn man might lose interest, regardless of how stylish your clothes are or how stunning your face is. Instead, involve him in an insightful conversation to display your sharp mind. Stay calm and composed. If he makes a joke, don't giggle too quickly. Also, don't hesitate to showcase your clever sense of humor. Capricorn men are often recognized for their sarcastic sense of humor, but there's more to it. Wrapping up the dating journey, here are several qualities that define your Capricorn man. Possessive, loyal, trustworthy, he makes time for you, and he's hardworking. What actions should you take while dating a Capricorn man? Be reliable, trust him, offer support, work hard, demonstrate stability, impress with intelligence. Remember to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful and want more content.